This is Form and Space Observational Drawing. So reviewing observational drawing, which is what you did when you were in class and we drew the hands and a few other times. It's when you look at a real object when you draw, and you need to remember to measure the object. Measure it against itself. If you are looking at the example here, you could see like how wide the pineapple is, and then how many times is that width the length to make sure that it is long enough. Think about sizes. You know, how many of this apple can fit into this pineapple, etc. You need to draw things at least as large as the actual size. Obviously, if what you're drawing for this, the box is larger, then you will reduce the size. But they need to take up the whole paper. I just don't want lots of tiny little things. Look at your light. Where is your light source? Where are the cast shadows? So your observational drawing exercise, you need your blank paper or your sketchbook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and something to smudge with, a Kleenex or Q-tip. The objects that you need are an empty box of some sort or something similar. If you don't have an empty box, you could use an empty trash can or a paper bag or anything that is big enough that you could put the egg inside and sturdy enough that you can put the egg on top. You need an egg or a ball, eggs preferably, because the light is reflected equally. If you don't have any eggs, then use a ball. If you don't have either one, take some socks and roll them up into a ball. You know, whatever it takes. The first thing you're going to do, make sure that you have good lighting. So either put it next to where the window's shining on it, or a lamp. Put the box down so that you are looking inside the box like you see. Put your egg or ball or what have you on top of the box. Look at the shadows. Really pay attention to where things go. Don't forget the inside of the box. So when you're looking here, you see you have the shadows that are on the egg, and then you have the shadows that are coming down from the top. And you're going to draw the inside of the box and the egg. Draw it with line first, and just very limited lines, just so you get everything going in the right direction, and then do your shading like you did yesterday. Make sure that it's pretty much filling up your paper. The next thing you're going to do is use the same light, same box, and this time you're putting the egg inside the box. Things will look a little different. And you're drawing it. Pay attention to the space around the egg as well as the egg. Use value and very limited lines. And don't copy the photograph. I want you to draw from observation. So I will be checking for that. And then you turn it in. You photograph a photograph of the box and the egg together. Photo of drawing 1, photo of drawing 2. Okay? And this is just a drawing that is of an egg. It's a very excellent drawing, and you can see it has all the little tiny details and things. Just wanted to show you that you don't have to do it quite to that level yet if you're not there, but what I'm looking for is the value and the cast shadows and things like that. Okay?